We as Western Drilling Company are eager to share a recently completed project, a 600-foot well on a 2.5-acre parcel in Wittman, Arizona. The lot was originally undeveloped and lacked access to utilities, making a private water well a crucial step toward transforming it into a livable space. Our team drilled and cased the well, ensuring long-term reliability and clean water access for the future homeowner. The well is expected to support household water needs and irrigation for planned landscaping. As part of our process, we handled permitting, coordinated drilling logistics, and ensured the well met all state requirements. The project was completed safely and on schedule, reinforcing our commitment to bringing dependable water access to rural Arizona properties. Whether it's a new build or an off-grid upgrade, Western Drilling is proud to help Arizona families take their next step toward independence.